In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find Bluetooth files here on a laptop or PC running Windows 11 or future Windows updates. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But sometimes when you receive files over Bluetooth, it's not obvious where they end up. Here's a few ways that you can actually find them. Begin by opening up File Explorer. And by default, Bluetooth transfers are usually saved in your Documents folder right here. So scroll down, select Documents, and once inside, you could sort files by date modified to quickly check the most recent ones. If you don't see it within here, another option is to go back to this left sidebar over here, scroll up and select Home, and then scroll down till you see this little Recent section right here. Make sure that you actually do select Recent. And this section is going to show you added files from all folders, so you could spot the transferred one within here. If it's still not here though, try sending another test file over Bluetooth. When you do, you'll get a pop-up notification on your PC down in the bottom right showing that exact save location. That's usually going to be the same folder where your last transfer went. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. With these steps, you'll always know how to track down your Bluetooth files. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.